recognition of the significant contribution to strengthening interreligious partnership and developing interfaith relations. Astana International Award for Interfaith Dialogue goes to Miguel Ángel Moratinos, United Nations Under-Secretary General, High Representative for the UN Alliance of Civilizations, Special Envoy to Combat Islamophobia. The Order of Dostak of the Second Degree goes to Li Guangfu, President of the Taoist Association of China. Samir Shantilal Somaya, President of Somaya Vidya Vihar. The Medal of Shapagat goes to Muhammad Mehdi Imanipur, President of the Islamic Culture and Relations Organization of the Islamic Republic of Iran. The Medal of Honor of the Congress of the Leaders of World and Traditional Religions goes to Nazir Muhammad Ayat, Grand Mufti of the Arab Republic of Egypt. Kamil Samigullin, Chairman of the Spiritual Administration of Muslims of the Republic of Tatarstan. Abdulqadir Zada Said Mukarram, the Chairman of the Council of Ulema of the Republic of Tajikistan. George Jacob Kovakat, Prefect of the Dicastery for Interreligious Dialogue. Vitaly Tupeko, Metropolitan Benjamin of Minsk and Zaslavl, Patriarchal Exarch of all Belarus. Kalman Meir Ber, Ashkenazi Chief Rabbi of Israel. David Yosef, Sephardic Chief Rabbi of Israel. David Rothstein, Secretary General of the Baha'i International Community. Philip Thayari, the President of the World Fellowship of Buddhists. Salim Mohammed Al-Malik, Director General of the Islamic World Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Sultan Rayev, Secretary General of the International Organization of Turkic Culture. Mohammed El-Sanusi, Executive Director of the Network for Religious and Traditional Peacemakers. Mark Barry Levin, Executive Vice Chairman, Chief Executive Officer of the National Coalition Supporting Eurasian Jewry. Nihal Saad, Director of the United Nations Alliance of Civilizations. Shlomo Cook, Representative of the Ashkenazi Chief Rabbi of Israel. Muhammad Zia ul Haq, Director General of the Islamic Research Institute at the International Islamic University. Afra al-Saabri, Director General of the Ministry of Tolerance and Coexistence of the United Arab Emirates. Michael Hubner, General Secretary of the Martin Luther Bund. Bolat Sarsimbayev, Commissioner for the Promotion of the Goals and Objectives of the Congress of the Leaders of World and Traditional Religions.